what to think to enjoy peace. Philippians chapter 4, verses 8 and 9 tells us exactly what to think and how to practice. So God's peace lives with us. Join the 5 Pillars Fellowship. 100 episodes, one house, let's build. Did you know the opposite of faith isn't doubt? It's control. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6. Welcome to the 5 Pillars Fellowship. I'm Dr. Clemen Chiang. Today we continue the first pillar, faith. Our theme, the opposite of faith, is control. Most people think doubt is the enemy of faith. But doubt is often honest. Doubt asks questions. Doubt seeks understanding. Control is different. Control says, I must understand everything before I move. I must manage every outcome. I must eliminate uncertainty. And that is where faith breaks down. Faith does not require full understanding. Faith requires full trust. That's why Scripture doesn't say, trust the Lord a little. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. And then it adds something even harder. Lean not on your own understanding. Control leans on self. Faith leans on God. In life and in investing, control often disguises itself as wisdom. But beneath it is fear. Fear of loss, fear of mistakes, fear of surrender. Control says, if I let go, everything will fall apart. Faith says, if I let go, God will lead. So, here's your practice for this episode, and let's make it practical in the investing market. Early in my investing journey, I wanted to control everything. Every entry, every exit, every outcome. I watched screens constantly. I checked prices obsessively. I reacted quickly, not because it was wise, but because it felt like safe. But control didn't give me peace. It gave me anxiety. That's when I learned a hard truth. You cannot control markets, but you can trust principles. When I stopped trying to control every move and started trusting process, discipline, and data, my decisions became calmer. My strategy became clearer, and my faith became stronger. Control demands certainty. Faith accepts uncertainty and trusts God in the middle of it. That's what Proverbs teaches us. When you trust the Lord fully and stop leaning on your own understanding, He makes your path straight. Not always easy, but always guided. So this week, live the rhythm. Think, practice, peace. Think about where control is replacing trust in your life. Practice surrendering one decision, one outcome, one fear, one God, and find peace in knowing that when you release control, you receive direction. Faith grows when control loosens. And when faith leads, peace follows. Thank you for joining me for faith number 5. The opposite of faith is control. And to close the loop on this conversation, join me at the Spiking AI Summit, where we'll explore how faith, data, and discipline systems help you release control and invest with confidence and peace. Until next time, think better, practice wiser, enjoy peace, catch the spike, change your life.